Santa, are you financially free? I see you have a lot of properties. Your house is beautiful. So, please tell me where you earn from so I can learn how to be financially free.
Yes, I am financially free. This is because I earn online. I make my money through websites and apps. I have up to 150 websites and 80 apps on the internet. All are monetized. So, I make over $500,000 monthly. That is enough to keep me satisfied.
Was it easy?
It wasn't easy. Although I found some things easy maybe because I got into what I loved. I wouldn't advise people getting into something because there is money in that thing. This is why we see companies with poor service. If you do what you love, you will do it well. So, I will say it was easy for me.
Santa, what are the key things I should consider before doing anything that is profitable?
First of all, you mustn't rush into anything because that thing is profitable. Second of all, you should ask yourself if you really love the thing you're about getting into. If this is done, your life will be full of glory, because it is hell when you get rich doing what you don't love.
How then can I know what I love?
Love is a chemical. Also, love creates happiness and happiness is associated with dopamine. Dopamine is a hormone. Whatever you don't struggle with is what you love. Whatever you do without looking for motivation is what you love. If you do what you love, you will notice a natural motivation for that thing. That is the ultimate sign that you love something. Although sometimes you may need to try something before you know you love it. This is why you must explore different things so that it becomes easy for you to find your passion.
Thank you, Santa.